Hey everybody, it's your old pal Billy Blue Gloves here, also known as Drawn to You, and various other nicknames and aliases. And today we're drawing Rinzler from Tron Legacy. So as you saw, I had a printout there that we traced the outline of using a light board. You can get a light board for less than $12 now. If you don't have that, it's fine. You don't even need it. You can hold it up to a window if you have a printer. If you don't have a printer, you could just eyeball it. I don't always use the light board, but sometimes for this kind of silhouette where the outer shape is kind of the whole point of it, for that kind of thing, I usually use that. And then we leave these interior areas. You kind of identify the areas that you want to remember not to black out, and that's pretty much it.
Subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share.
So in the upper right there, that was the end of that marker. It's in the trash now, but this is turning out pretty much the way I want. I put the border on here, and I went all the way around. You're not going to see the whole thing, but I went around the whole thing with a Sharpie to give it that border there to close it in, and it's pretty much turning out the way I wanted. We've got a background here that, oh, Drawn to You 2 is taking over. Okay, let's see what we've got here. He's going to go in with this gray here. That's good. So the gray areas are where it's partially lit, and then I think after that he's going to go over it with the orange highlights.
Subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share.
Okay, he's adding his signature here, Drawn to You 2. That means we're coming up on the end of another video here. We had a good time with this one, Internet. Here's our final product. I hope you did too, and until next time, I'm Drawn to You.
Like, subscribe and share. Leave a comment. Like, subscribe and share. Like, subscribe and share.
Yeah.